Hello and welcome to our video on getting StrapPress up and running. This video is going to go over the theme options, some of the page settings, and just getting the theme looking like the demo. So here you'll notice we have the StrapPress homepage. It has the Twitter Bootstrap menu, the hero unit with the block element button, 3 widget areas, some footer social icons, and also a little footer menu. So diving in, we're going to want to go to our WordPress dashboard. That can be done easily from our URL with WP admin. Once you go from the dashboard, you want to go from Appearance, Theme Options. Since we're going to want to change the home page, let's go ahead and skip the first General Settings and go to the Home Page tab. So right off the bat, you'll see that Featured Hero Unit is selected. If we want to display the latest blog post, we just click this radio button. Once that's selected, let's go ahead and save the options at the bottom. Reload this page. You'll notice that the latest blog post is put into the hero unit. If you go to the blog, you'll notice that Hello World is the latest blog post. So let's go back and change it back to the hero unit. So here, if we have the feature hero unit selected, we can go ahead and change all the copy. So the default hero unit just has some filler text, and you more than likely do not want what we have put in here, so we're going to go ahead and change this out for demonstration purposes. So for heading, let's go Hello World, subheading, some content here. Then we go down to the call to action button. If we uncheck this checkbox, this button will actually not appear. So we're just going to keep that checked. The button text, let's say click me, button URL. You can make this go to any internal page or external page. Just keep it as Google for now. The button size, let's go down to medium. Here's a new feature within the latest Bootstrap Twitter version 2.11, which makes the buttons full width. So as of now, the button is full width. It goes across the whole container. Let's go ahead and uncheck that so you can see the difference. And change the color. Let's go with red. So the last box on the home page is the featured content. So this is going to be the content that's in here. You can add an image source to any image that you upload, or even video. Let's go ahead and show how the video works. So here's a video. Let's go to share, get the embed code for this video, copy that, and put it into our featured content. Let's save the options. And see the new changes that we've made. So you'll notice that all of our new changes, the new button, which is not full width because we unchecked that box, and we now have video over here. And I'd like to show that this still stays responsive and the video shrinks as the page gets smaller. That's about iPad size. Everything flows very well. So that's the setting for changing the actual featured hero unit on the home page. Let's go back to the general settings. So the general settings is just overall settings for the whole theme. You can actually upload your own logo if you don't want to use the font as your name. This logo is actually generated in the settings general. So if you don't want to upload your own logo, you can put your site title in here. So let's change this site title. Save those changes. you'll notice that the site changes to whatever you put in that field. Again, if you want to upload a logo, this nav bar will expand for whatever size logo that you upload. So our next option is the theme menu position. Right now it's set to fixed, which means that it'll stay on the top of the page no matter what. So if you scroll down, notice that it's starting to go over the hero unit. So for demonstration purposes, let's change it to static and save options. So this will make the top menu stay on the top all the time. So when you scroll down, it will disappear. See, as it goes away, it's not fixed anymore. Back to the theme options under general settings. With the latest updates of 2.11, they have added where you can change the color from gray to black pretty easily. So if you don't like the black nav bar, you can change it to gray. And that'll change the top navigation bar, of course, to gray. I personally like black. So another feature that is added into the theme options is to show a search bar in the top nav. Let's go ahead and edit that. And these are just the link colors throughout the whole site. So right now they're blue, as you can see here, which is the default styles with the Twitter Bootstrap. You can actually click on this and drag around this cursor, pick whatever color you would like. So we wanted some nice vibrant green. That's the link color. You can also do the hover, so when you go over, see how it changes to a little darker blue. That'll be the hover color and also the active color. The next setting is breadcrumbs. This is on internal pages like about us page, all your blog paging. This is the breadcrumbs here. So if you don't like that, you can disable it very easily with this setting here. Let's go ahead and uncheck that. The next few boxes is the footer area. So the copyright text, the powered by text, and the scroll to top. This is all the text here in the footer. So this is the copyright. This is the scroll to top button and also the powered by text. So you can add any kind of text you want in here. Text goes here. And if you don't like that little scroll to top button, you can easily just uncheck that box. So let's save those options and see what kind of changes we made. So right off the bat, you'll notice that the search has been put into the header. That's pretty nice. We did change the text down here in the copyright. You notice that we have that ugly green. We didn't change the hover, so it's still that dark blue. And since we added that search, let's go ahead and shrink it down. Show how the search is still in the navigation when we get on smaller browsers and other smaller devices. So that's pretty cool.